Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Samaji's Fun Adventures. In today's video, we're going to be playing Get Eaten. Let's get started. Alright, so we are a level 1. Let's go ahead and, what should we ride on? What should we ride on? Chicken? Cake? Bloxylicious plastic gum? A hot dog? Taco? Cheese? Or a grape? Let's ride on a hot dog. Hot dog. I like hot dogs. Alright. Now where do we go? Alright, we go here. Alright, train doorman. I'm gonna feed you a hot dog. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're sliding down. Alright, we're about to get eaten by this guy. Oh my gosh, we just got eaten. And we're getting pooped out. Oh no. Alright, we're going to the toilet. Alright, we went to the toilet, guys. Alright. Yeah. Alright. What is this? Hold on. Alright, let me be a pizza. Let me be a hot dog. that's like the craziest combo ever. What is over here? Alright, let me be a drumstick. I'm gonna be a drumstick, riding a drumstick, getting eaten by I am a drumstick. Look at me. I'm a drumstick. Alright, we're right over here. Alright, let's go. We're unlocking this area now. Eric the piano guy. Alright. Alright, we're almost falling down. Alright. Oh. Eat us! Yeah! Alright, we just got pooped out. Alright, let's go back down here. Let's go ahead and be a taco. A taco and a taco. Yep. That's how we do things here. Alright, there you go. Alright, if you want more Roblox videos where I do some more Roblox like these, make sure you go ahead, leave a like, subscribe down below, and yeah. Alright, come on. Alright, we're sliding down. Alright. We're going to Eric the piano guy. Alright. Come on, get eaten. Get eaten. There you go. Oh wow. Alright. Well, we just alright. The next one, I guess it's this one. This is some very simple parkour. No, okay. Oh. You know, I started playing this one in 2019, so. There you go. Yep. I remember this. We got cars. We got the pizza. We got these little dudes. Yeah, I remember these. And then you could lay down. Yeah, all of these I remember. There you go. Alright. I remember he used to have like a full or a hungry status. This guy is full. Well, how about you get a drumstick, my good sir? Drumstick. You just lay down. And then. Yep, I remember that. Oh, and then I remember we used to turn brown. Ah, yes. Your poop. You know what? Let's even go back even further, because I want to see what it was like when I was, well, barely born. Oh. Oh. Chat voice. Matt Studio. You know, we don't got voice chat, we got chat voice. That's okay. Oh, we could sprint lock our thing. Oh. There you go, we could sprint. Alright. So this is Get Eaten. Oh, alright. Well. If we do this one, that means we get... Alright, you're hungry. How about you eat a race car? Get a race car for your diet, huh? You just eat everything. Alright. I got on the seat. Ah. Actually, let's go ahead and return back to the original one. Maybe we could do like a whole memory lane of this, but I'd say not. But hey, that was pretty cool. A blast from the past. I actually remember that. I remember Get Eaten was like, I think like one of my third or fourth games I've been playing. Alright, let's go back to the Eric the piano guy, who apparently eats anything and doesn't get full. Alright, let's go ahead and eat. 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 Alright, well. Okay, so the mechanics still work. It's just that, well, excuse me, sir. No. Okay. What? I just saw beanstalks. Alright, we're going backwards. I'm just stuck in a hot dog. Not even fazed by it. I'm like, yep, this is my average life. Alright, why is there balls here? Do you even get pooped out? Alright, we got 200 points. Let's go ahead and go to this one, eh? Oh no. Oh crap. Alright, turn. This has quite the drift, guys. Oh, no, we're upside down. We're upside down. We already got dismantled and everything. What the? Alright. 269 points. Alright. We're sliding down with some delicious plastic gum. He just ate that thing up. He didn't even chew. It's chewing gum. Goodness gracious, he just ate everything. Alright. Alright, Beezum. What you got? Oh, it's this one, I remember. Alright, hold on. Alright. I'd say we call it here for now. We're level 3. We unlocked 3 of the things. I should say, if you want more Get Eaten, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe down below, and I see you guys in the next one. Peace.